We're Asante, hear the drums of time. When rulers turn cruel, crossed every line. Burden on our backs, chains on our days. They took our labor, even took our wives. But the Spirit rose, the people spoke. Tongues of fire, a freedom old. From the forest deep, the ancestors knew the time had come for something new. All hail the golden stool, soul of a nation, sacred and true. All hail the golden stool. From scattered clans, one people grew.
Then came Moses, chosen by fate, and a knocking priest who spoke to the great. From the skies it fell, not touched by man. The golden stool, the soul of the land.
In that stool we stood, in that stool we stayed. United yesterday, united today. One blood, one voice, one destiny. Bound by spirit, bound by history. All hail the golden stool. The bond that time can never undo. All hail the golden stool. The heart of Asante man beating through. It unified the clans, it ended the divide. One language spoken, far and wide. Different roots, but one great name. One tradition, one sacred flame. Autumn fuel sits, ordained by law, custodian of stew, people and soul. Leader of leaders, seen and unseen. Walking the path between worlds and dreams. Autumn fuel, seer of all. Autumn fuel, guardian of all. Autumn fuel, chosen by stool. Autumn fuel, spirit and rule. We grow by drawing nations near, not by force, but culture and care. They learn our tongue, they know our ways, our customs live through borrowed days. From stranger to kin, from guest to blood, washed by time in Asante mud. This is how empires truly stand, not just by sword, but by the hand. I'm symbol,
Porcupine, fierce and wise, strike one down, 1,000 rise. Kill 1,000, 1,000 come. That's Asante, never undone. All hail